Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel, and it's another time with BEL. Okay, so how are you doing? I know you are doing awesome. By grace, as I always say, we are going to pull through this pandemic. Okay, good. Okay, so today I'm going to do an unboxing video, or it's an unboxing video. So I will be traveling, so I kind of wanted maybe I want to do a vlog on the way. Yeah, so I was shopping online as Amazon. Okay, Amazon, to get some selfie stick or kind of anything that I can use for a video on my way going and coming. Okay, so and I found one, so I just want to show you how it looked like, and if you're interested, I mean, you want to get some. Okay, so this is, and I bought two stuffs. One is what's it, cutter is what's the name of it? Pasta cutter. Also, I make what is it, I make chin chin like for sale. Okay, so I don't know if it's gonna be part of this box, but this is it. So this is what is in the box. Yeah, and as I said, I make chin chin. Okay, so I sell chin chin. That is, you will say Accra stay by a plan, right? You, so America stay by a plan. So I saw chin chin, and it's just me doing it. So I want something that will make it easier to cut the sizes. So I got this. Yeah, even though it's so little, but I will manage. So with this, it can cut like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it can cut or slice 8 in a row. Okay, 8 in a row, and this, so it really helps. Yep, so that is what I'm going to use for now. Yep, so this is, it's just for pasta, but because it's the dough, so we can cut it. Yeah, and so this is a stand or the selfie stick or whatever it is. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, and it can be extended as well. Yeah, so I think it's a China thing, like you know China is taking all over electronics and stuff. Yeah, made in China. They're taking all over the internet and the market and everywhere, so don't be surprised if you buy anything and it's from China. I'm not surprised anyway, so long as it's a good product. How surprised will I be? No. Okay. Ooh. So it has this, which I'm yet to find out. Okay, so I think that is the holder. Yeah, that is the holder, the phone holder. So I understand you have to do it this way for you to put the phone in. Okay, let's see what is it. It's down. So this is how it looks like that is when it is folded. So this is it. I don't know if you can see, but this is how it looks like, this way. And so this is the remote. Okay, this is gonna be the remote, and you can remove it. Yeah, so you can remove it as a remote, and see that's a control. I mean, this is my first time seeing this kind of remote, because the one I use or I have as this one. All my standard I bought, this is this kind that came with. I have the black one, but this has a different thing. Yeah, so this is my first time seeing this one, so we will see. So but this, you can put it back, and I think I like the way you can put it back because you can easily misplace this. I always put it in my pocket, so I think I like this. Yeah, Okay, so this that, and it came with this, and I don't know what the charger for. So I think, let me see. Yeah, so you use the charger to charge the remote. Yeah, as I said, first time with this, it has a battery in it, so it's convenience to anywhere. And with this, you have to charge it. So I don't know how long it's gonna be on, but we will see. So this way, I mean, so this is how you do it. I don't know if you can see, and I think this is it. I hope it's going to be stable. I don't know if you can see. Okay, so I don't know if you can see well. Yeah, so just put it on this way. I hope it's going to work. Okay, so I mean, this is just in Chinese. It's also in Chinese. I mean, this is the manual and it is in Chinese. Okay, so this is in English. So if you are from China, you read in China. If you read in Chinese, if you speak English, you read in English, right? Yeah. So this is it. I mean, that. So I don't know how extendable it can be, but when I was buying it, the description says it has to go to 40 inches. Yeah, it has to like extend to 40 inches. And let's see which side. Oh, yeah, so this is how it looks like. And if you want to put the phone in it, you just have to open here, like screw here, instead of the regular pulling, which I think I like this screwing like this, because the one I have, I pulled it and it came off. So I think I like this screwing. Yeah, so I don't know how far it can go, but it looks like it can take an iPad, like it's an iPad or a tablet, I think so. Yeah, I think it can take an iPad or a tablet because it's really long. So you bring it down to fit in. So technically, I think this can take any kind of phone. What do you think? I think because you have to screw, so I think it can take any kind of phone. Yeah. And so the side too, if you want to, I mean, take the, you know, this kind of short that has come now, use short on YouTube. If you want to do the short video, you can do it this way. And thus you put your phone in here, screw, and I think you should be good. Voila, then your shot is ready. Don't mind my phone, okay? The thing is off. So I was trying to figure it out how, and this is the remote, okay? I was trying to figure it out how I can understand it, because it does not even say it anyways. But it looks like you have to pull it, like pull. So it's really long, like, yes. So I'm gonna put it here. So this is how it looks like. I don't know if you can still see it. let's see. I'm gonna show you how it. So if you can see, it's really long, like, yeah, very long. So I think this is a good deal. What do you think? I think it's a good deal, yeah, because you can have it really short. You can have it as a selfie stick. You can have it. Oh, as I've not used it, but it looks like I am beginning to like it. Yeah, so I don't. Let me see. I think I bought it like. Let's see. Yeah, so I got it $14.99 on Amazon. Yeah. So Charlie, I think this is a good deal because it can be a selfie stick. Yeah, so it's a good deal. Yep. It can be a selfie stick. It can be this way. Yeah. So that's how it is. So it's really long. Like, I mean, it's good. Yeah, so that's how it is. So it's really long, a selfie stick, and like a sit-down video or a vlog or anything. But this, and it takes what's a DSLR camera? Yeah, DSLR or whatever camera it is. It take it. Yeah. So I think it's a good deal. Yep, that's a good deal, and I think if you are looking for a tripod stand, I think you can get this, and that'll be awesome. Okay, guys, so this is the end of my unboxing. I'll put the link down below, so if you're interested, you can read about it and see if you want to buy some or not. It's $14.99, so let's say $15. Which I think is a good deal, right? Okay, guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from Time with BEL. And I will see you next time. Bye and peace out.